welcome to this quick video about the 322RC2 tripod head. So basically, this is a really fun head to use. You have this trigger here that you can grip, and then the tripod head will be free to move. And once you release it, it's supposed to stay locked and then it won't move anymore. However, as you can read in the title, this head here is a bit broken because, well, no matter the friction settings or the state of the release trigger, well, it's always in a moving position. So in this video, I show you a quick fix to make your tripod head work again. And basically all you need is a size 3 hex screw head. So once we have the tool, we will only need to locate this little screw there. I hope you can see it. And basically we'll need to turn it just a tiny bit. Maybe a bit more. So here I'm turning it clockwise. So like that. And now, as you can see, I'm really putting pressure on the handle and it's not moving. And once I press the trigger, it can move. And also let's set the friction a bit down. So now it should be really easy to move. So yeah, as you can see, really easy to move. And once it's locked, it stays in place. So yeah, this was a quick fix to repair this tripod head. If this video helped you, please let me know down in the comments below so other people can quickly see whether or not this video is legit or not, as YouTube removed the like and dislike function. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.